Dan and Amma, come December, owners of thousands of presumed concrete buildings in San Francisco will be asked to take part in a screening program. In the meantime, soft story building owners have been overwhelmingly compliant in making sure their structures are safe. The devastation of the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake is not long forgotten.
In a lot of ways, the Loma Prieta earthquake sort of woke us up to our seismic risk.
Laurel Matthews is an earthquake program manager for San Francisco's Office of Resilience and Capital Planning. Around 2013, Matthews says San Francisco instituted a mandatory retrofit program for wood-framed soft-story buildings that were 3 or more stories with 5 or more units. A soft-story building is a building where on the ground floor there's more open space than above the ground floor. In San Francisco, Matthews says that usually means on the ground floor there's a parking garage or business, and above the ground floor there's apartments. The buildings were in danger of damage or collapse. The program has been hugely successful.
About 40,000 housing units are now in safer buildings because of this program. The program is currently at 95% compliance.
The remaining 5% have engaged with the Department of Building Inspection in some way. In December, the city will begin focusing on concrete buildings built before around the year 2000.
Some of the concrete buildings built before that date can be a bit brittle and don't have enough steel reinforcement to resist the sideways forces of a really big earthquake.
There's currently no mandatory retrofit program for concrete buildings. Rather, the city has developed a screening program for these types of buildings. The screening will also look at a type of building called tilt-ups, which are one-story commercial and warehouse-type buildings.
Building owners will have until June of 2027 to submit building information to the Department of Building Inspection.
With the information, Matthews says the city hopes to have a better idea of next steps and whether a mandatory retrofit program similar to the soft-story one would be the right approach. Matthews estimates that approximately 4,000 building owners of concrete and/or tilt-ups will be asked to participate in that screening program. She says soft-story buildings were addressed first because they were seen as low-hanging fruit. Tenants didn't have to move out, and the cost for retrofitting was relatively low compared to the building's value. In the newsroom for the IT, Melanie Woodrow, ABC 7 News.